Hello children and welcome back to the RKC online learning of English language. This is your English teacher Miss Rachna Chandarana once again and I'm back with another learning video. How are you all doing? Hope you are watching all the videos regularly and repeatedly for better understanding. To start with, I would like you to see these beautiful pictures on your screen. Aren't they pretty? Yes, they are. And if you look at them carefully, every picture is trying to say something. And you know what I feel? I feel they are asking us to write about them. What do you say? Yes, so let us get going. In this video today, we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. But before we move ahead, let us first know what a picture composition is. A picture composition is the description of a picture. That is, we are going to write a paragraph about what all we can see in the given picture. In short, a picture composition involves observing the picture very carefully and then writing sentences about the given picture. Always remember, these sentences have to be meaningful and always in the form of a paragraph. Now children, let us see the steps to write a picture composition or how to write a picture composition. First of all, carefully observe the picture. You have to observe the things or actions you can see there. Note down all your observation as points in logical order, which means an order in which you feel that the things are happening there. Then imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. After that, select a suitable title for the picture. And lastly, write the title at the top of the paragraph as a heading. Now students, here is a very easy way to do a picture composition and remember it. There is a small word that you need to remember and the word is POPCAR. It is spelled as P-O-P-C-A-R. This word is the short form of the different things you are supposed to write in a picture composition, which means that it is going to make it very easy for you to remember how to write a picture composition. Now let us see the word and the letters one by one. The first letter is P and this P stands for place. So firstly you can observe what place the picture is showing us. The second letter is O and O stands for objects. So you see all the objects that are there in the picture. The third letter again is a P and this P stands for people. So children, you have to see in the picture how many people are there, what the people are doing, etc. etc. The fourth letter is C and this C stands for color. If you are given a colored picture, then you have to observe all the colors that are there in the picture. The fifth letter is A and A stands for actions. So students, for this you can observe all the actions that are taking place in the picture. The last letter is R and R here stands for reactions, which means the reactions taking place in the picture. In short children, this is an easy and simple way to remember and do a picture composition on your own. Now let us see a few points that we need to remember while doing a picture composition. Always remember to give a title for the picture composition and make it the heading. Always remember to write it in a form of a paragraph. Never write individual sentences, which means don't number your sentences as 1, 2, 3 or never write them down as points. Remember to try and use all your observations in the paragraph. That means try to write everything that you can see in the picture. Remember to always frame sentences in the present tense. And most importantly, always remember that keen observation is the key to write a good picture composition, which means that you should carefully see and observe the picture to write a good picture composition. Pictures are always fascinating, and every picture has something interesting to tell us about itself. So now, let us pick up one picture here and see what it is trying to tell us. So here we go. Wow, what a beautiful scene. Let us now see what this particular picture is trying to tell us about itself. Let us first observe the picture very carefully, and then let us jot down what all we can find here. So before we move ahead, let us first try to find out what the picture depicts. Yes, it is the scene of a beach. So the theme of the picture here is a beach. Let us write down our observations in points first. First of all, we can see that it is a bright and colorful picture of a beach, and we can see a bright sunny day and some clouds floating in the sky. What else can you see? We can see some children. How many children can you see? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, there are 8 children in the picture. Out of them, 4 are boys and 4 are girls. And all are wearing swimming costumes. What else can you see? Yes, we can also see boats, a parachute and floating rings. There are beautiful trees and a small island. We can also see a child has made a small sand castle. Now children, can you see a crab and a dolphin? Yes, we can see the dolphin in the water and the crab is lying on the sand. Now children, let us find out a few more things in the picture. We see 2 beach chairs and a table with a big umbrella which is red and yellow in color. Other than these, we can also see 2 buckets, a hat, a ball, a colorful beach mat, shells, a starfish, slippers, etc. lying on the sand. Now children, if you can find something else too, you can jot it down in your rough book. Well, now that we have jotted down all our observation, I am sure we will be able to write a good picture composition here. Here I have written down the picture composition for you to have a look and get an idea how to go about it when you try to write it on your own. Try to observe the picture very carefully, and I am sure you will be able to write your own picture composition. To start with, we have to give a suitable title to our picture composition. And here for this picture, the title would be A Day at the Beach. Now let me read out the paragraph to you. It is a beautiful sunny day at the beach and the sun is shining brightly. The sky is clear with a few clouds here and there. Children are out on the beach, enjoying themselves, and most of them are wearing them swimming costumes. There are 8 children in the picture. 4 of them are boys and 4 are girls. They all seem to be having a lot of fun. One boy is rowing a boat and another one is enjoying his parasailing with a parachute. 2 other boys and 1 girl are ready with their floating rings to get into the sea, whereas 1 girl is already in water in her floating ring. Two girls are playing with sand on the beach and one of them has made a beautiful sand castle. There is a small island in the water with two coconut trees. There is an empty boat in the water and a lot of things are lying on the beach, like a crab, a starfish, a colorful beach mat, a hat, a ball, seashells, slippers, and so on. There are two comfortable beach chairs along with a small table and a big umbrella for relaxation. There is a beautiful dolphin jumping in and out of water. I think all the children at the beach are having a lovely time. So children, this is how you all can frame your own sentences and compose a paragraph on your own based on the observation you do of the picture given. Now children, your first task today is to try and draw and color the same picture on an A4 size plain paper or even a page of your rough book so that you can submit it to me when the school reopens. Then secondly, I want you to copy the sample paragraph that I have written for you. I am sending a picture of both the slides in the group. So I am sure by now you all know how to write a picture composition and you must be eagerly waiting to write one on your own. So for you, I have a picture here and this is your third task for today. You have to observe this picture very carefully as I am also sending this picture to you in the group. You can either take a printout or you can draw and color it yourself. Then, as we did before, you have to jot down all the points you observe in your rough book. And then frame your own sentences and compose a paragraph. Remember that your composition should be only in a paragraph and not in points or in numbers. Try to write minimum 10 sentences in your composition and try to make it as interesting as possible. All the very best. Please do all the tasks and get back to me in case of any difficulty. Remember, I'm just a phone call away. Bye for now, children. See you soon with another learning video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay home. Stay safe and most importantly, keep learning. This is me, Miss Rachna Chandarana, signing off. Bye-bye.